Hi guys, in today's vlog I have brought a very interesting thing for you. So I am here at Hurricane Factory in Prague. So I will go inside and I will show you my experience of taking the ride, flying, and let's see. Come with me. Okay, so now I'm going to do the registration. I already had a reservation for today and this is the code. So now this is the voucher I have got for the coffee. It's included in the package. So now I'm going for the coffee to the restaurant and then you will wait for the turn. This is the costume. I will go inside and change, and these are the instructions for the flight.
If you go from door to instructor, yeah, just get hands up,
yeah,
and only lie
bend,
lie on the yeah.
Nedávat to k sobě, že budete mít to u sebe, budete to mít takový vratký, nestabilní, takže nohy roztažený od sebe zhruba na šířku ramen. První důležitý jsou klidně řekni, jo, takže natáhnout nohy, jo, poprosím vás, že vypadat nějak takhle, hlava nahoru, ruce
So just look in the yellow light, and if you see your name there, you go in the tunnel. That's actually everything what you need to know. For the net, you don't fly, and especially it can go like, yeah. So when you go on the net, stay lie on the belly with your hands here. Just stay there. Then okay, I want to go up, and look down. Don't push your hands on the net. Yeah. Okay, the same for you.
Thank you.
So we have to control our body from the chin.
Exactly.
Nemusíte se bát, že když tak nepřijdete, zastavíme Tak, to by byly ty signály. Teď ještě jedna věc, děláte pozici, jak budete mít pánek dopředu, ruce na hlavu.
they will push you up. And if you have face upward, then obviously you will come down. And similarly, if you will bend your legs, then you will get down because the surface contact will be less. And if you have a straight legs, then you will be in your steady position. So it's all about that the air is coming from the dam, and you have to keep your surface in contact so that you can float at that level. And it's up to you, according to your body movement, you want to move up or come down. So that's the mechanism.